Module 9, Migrate and Integrate. Lesson 1, Migrating from Constant Contact. Most workspaces don't start from zero. They start with years of subscribers living in another tool. The Constant Contact integration moves that history here without spreadsheet surgery. Open Settings, Integrations, and pick Constant Contact. Connecting is OAuth against your Constant Contact account. Approve once and Simple Marketing receives read access to your contacts and lists. Your Constant Contact credentials stay with Constant Contact. The connection shows here with its status, and disconnecting later is one click. Run the sync. The integration walks your Constant Contact lists and brings over contacts with their names, emails, custom fields, and list memberships, mapped into Simple Marketing subscribers and tags. Subscribers who already exist here are matched by email, not duplicated, so rerunning the sync is safe. It tops up rather than doubles. When the sync finishes, audit before you send. Open subscribers and filter by the import source tag. The count should match what Constant Contact reported. Spot check a handful of records for field mapping. Imported unsubscribes must arrive unsubscribed. Sending to someone who opted out in your old tool is the fastest way to burn the new domain. Note what the import wrote to the consent ledger. Each migrated subscriber carries a consent record naming the migration as its source and the legal basis you selected. Module 10 shows you that ledger in detail. The point for now, the audit trail starts at import, not at first send. Next lesson, Manus Competitive Intelligence, the research agent that feeds your market view automatically. See you there.